Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download, install and configure XAMPP on Windows operating systems. The process is same on all Windows 10, 11 and Windows servers also. Okay, first go to apachefriends.org to download the XAMPP application. So apachefriends.org, hit enter. See here, at the time of making this video, XAMPP server for Windows is 8.2. Okay, so click on download. See here, the latest one is XAMPP 8.2.12 and PHP version is 8.2.12. Okay, so click on download 64-bit. Click on it. See, your download will start automatically. If it doesn't, you have to click on this one. But wait, it will be downloaded here. Wait a moment. See, download has been started and its size is 150 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now click on this installer exe file. Click on it. See here, I got the warning, important because an activated user account on your system functions are possibly restricted. Okay, so with USC, please avoid install to. Okay, click on OK. It is just warning. Okay, click on next. See, by default it has selected Apache, PHP and remaining are optional. Okay, so like Perl, Webalizer, fake, send email, but I am going with all like FileZilla, FT server, Mercury mail server, MySQL. Then click on next. See, this will be the location for the XAMPP. Okay, so if you want to change, click on this browse button. I am okay with that one. Then click on next. Set the language, click on next. See, setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP on your computer. Click on next. See, installation has been started. This may take time. See, installation has been completed. Now, if you want start control panel, you have to keep this checkbox as it is. Otherwise, you can't start. Then go to bottom. See here, we have the XAMPP. You can open XAMPP control panel also. So, I'm going to uncheck this one. Then click on finish. Okay. Now, click on start. Then go to the bottom. See here, we have the XAMPP. Click on the XAMPP control panel. Open it. See here, all these services are not started. So, start the Apache service by clicking on the start. Click on it. See, it is started and the port numbers are 80 and 443. And these are the PIDs. If you want to start MySQL, click on MySQL. Okay, click on MySQL. It is also started and port number is 3306. This is the PID. Okay, like this we can start all. Okay, I am okay with these two services. Now go to new tab, localhost, give 80. See here, the port number is 80. Okay, so hit enter. See, we have successfully installed and this is the version of the XAMPP. Okay, let us create a sample PHP program in the HTTP docs. Okay, go to C drive, XAMPP, then htdocs. See here, click on right click, new text file, r2schools.php. Hit enter, but still it is view. Then file name with extension C, but still it is text document. Click on it, remove that dot text and hit enter. Click on S. Now open this in new notepad. Select notepad, open it. php echo welcome to R2School channel. Save the file. Okay, file name is R2schools.php. Now go to the page, give R2schools.php, hit enter. See, you got the same output. If you want to add sum of two numbers, echo 8 plus 9, save the file and reload. See, we got in same line. Okay, so for that, go to the file, give the break, echo quotations br, close it, save it, reload. See, new line is added. Suppose if you stop this one, let us stop this Apache and try to reload this page. See, this site is cannot be reached. So to access, we must start Apache web server. So click on start. Okay, now click on reload. It automatically loaded. Okay, like this we can do anything. If you want to go to the phpMyAdmin, give the localhost, hit enter. Click on phpMyAdmin. If you want to create database, click on MySQL, then click on SQL, then type commands here, create database R2Schools, put semicolon, select the text, paste that command here, control enter. See, database is created. Okay, see, new database is created. Or if you want to create database from GUI, click on new, then provide the database. Then we have to click on create. Okay, so if you want to create tables in this database, select database, then you have to create database. Or you can use the command, use R2Schools, control enter. Okay, now database has been changed. Now if you want to create table, provide here create table syntax, or simply click on database, then provide the table name, then give the number of columns. Suppose if you want to give student, number of columns to you to create, then here we have to provide the column names. Okay, this is the way to work with MySQL. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure XAMPP server on Windows operating system. For more XAMPP or MySQL or any web related videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.